Alright guys, this is amazing to see. So this was my demand zone. I was waiting for price to tag us in, and this was the demand zone that had the break of structure. So what then happened? We saw price not retracing back, because most of the times price doesn't even retrace back to your demand zone. You will just be waiting and price will never take you in. So what most of the time I see is that if you follow the inducement, if you follow price, what price is showing you, now we can see that we have this equals over here, this inducement now is now in power, and we have this break of structure over here guys. So this is a strong zone for me. So I already set my limit at this zone here, and this is my low. This is very high confidence trade for me, but still yet I'll still be risking just less of my money. I don't want what happened yesterday to happen today. Now maybe this could be our liquidity low, first reaction to the demand zone, and this would be my entry here. I could also wait for this demand zone, but I don't really want to have that tight stop loss, and I don't want to miss out on this trade. So I'm just going to wait for this zone over here, price should, because we can see this liquidity, this double bottom liquidity, and we grab it and we break structure to the upside. This is a trade that you guys should always take. And we are also at key time zone. We are at London time, and you can see this trend line coming from above where I draw. You can see these are all liquidity. You can see it, one touch, two touch, three touch. You can see fourth touch. You can see again, and the fifth touch over here. If price is definitely not going to break this structure. Now I've been trading this type of entries for a long time now, and I know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to delete this demand zone and also delete this thing. So this now, let me just take all this. Yeah. So price should just tag those in. That's just what I'm thinking for right now. Price should just tag those in on this imbalance over here. So that's all for now guys. Let me pause the video. When if it tags us in, then that will be great, but if it doesn't, we just see what price is going to do. Alright guys, as you can see, price is heading to my targets over here. Now this is a very strong trade for me, so I love this kind of trade. So I decided to add another limit here. 884. I set another limit here, and my stop loss was still below this 830, and I'm targeting to the upside. Now this price is coming close, and it's definitely going to reach this imbalance and this imbalance over here. So I'm trying to get the maximum out of this trade, because we can see clearly this is the liquidity over here that has been grabbed, and this trend line are all liquidity, even this supply zone and this is what do I call it, this was the support and resistance that I draw in the morning. So this what's going on, maybe it's network actually. This is the supply zone that I'm hoping price to come to, and this could give a reaction, but I don't think it's going to follow through to the downside. But this is where our first target should be. I'll be taking one of my position on this zone, then I'll leave the other one at break even, then I'll target the upside. So that's that for now. As you can see, we are about to get hit very soon. As you can see guys, first zone is hit, and you can see the reaction very very fast reaction. We didn't come to the second zone. You can see this price went bullish up here, and when price was retracing, price was coming very very slow, very very slow, very very slow. But you see the reaction that price gave. This was instant, and as you can see it on my MT5, I'm already on the trade, which is actually going up right now. As you can see, guys, this okay. I'm hoping price also come to second um second zone over here. That will be a massive trade for me actually, guys. But now I'm pretty happy. I'm already in the trade, and let's just see what price gives us. Alright guys, here is the trade on my MT5. As you can see, price just tagged us in on this fair value gap over here, and price is moving up. So my analysis here now is, if price break this structure to the upside over here, then I'm definitely going to break even. But right now I cannot break even, as price has not yet break structure to the upside. I don't think this zone will hold again. Let me see. I was just risking $10 on this other trade, making it a total of $27 if I hit my stop loss. If all the trade hits my stop loss, which is okay for me. $27 is not that bad for me, but my target, yesterday we didn't take any trade. As you can see, I expect this zone to hold. Actually, this low is a strong low, guys. If you know how to take this kind of trade, you'll be in a very very good position. Now that's all I have for now. Till we break even, I don't think there's anything much to see. Let me just throw this out. Let me just throw this over here. These are break even points over here. That's what we are expecting from this market. Yeah, this trade is a $17 stop loss. This one that got tagged in, actually $19 stop loss. So that will be all for now. Now my target, here is my target. My target is 22,284. Where is it? Oh my god, guys, I don't know why MT5 keep bringing this up. I keep changing it. I don't know why. Let me just go back. GBPUSD. Yeah, here is the trade, guys. So 22,284 is my target. 22 to 22, where is it? Oh sorry, 22,284. That's like 112, 115 actually. So 112. So that's my target for now. I'll be setting, no, I'll be setting my TP actually. Let's set our TP. Alright, bye for now.